Chris Morrison with RETSY. We're at our latest listing here at 2613 East Pierson, located in the popular Camelback Corridor. We're excited for you to see this one. The layout in this home is ideal with an open, split floor plan. Tile flooring flows throughout the main living areas. The kitchen is light and bright with quartz countertops, bar seating, white shaker cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. The primary suite is generous sized with a spacious bath, including double vanities, large marble tiled shower, and walk-in closet. Guest bedrooms are spacious, and the bathrooms have also been fully redone. The largest of the 3 guest bedrooms features its own ensuite. The backyard is a great place to spend time with a paved patio and large grass area. With an irrigated lot in the front and backyard, landscaping is easy to maintain here. Within short walking distance to both Arcadia and Biltmore's hot spots, this location can't be beat. Thanks for taking a look. If you have any questions about the property, send us a message. And as always, you can find all the details on morrisonteam.com.